Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'll show you how I transformed this dress. So this is before and it looks like that. First I'll pin my dress for alterations. I'll be taking 2 inches on this side and other side. So 2 inches on both sides and 2 inches at the back. Next I will be making top out of this dress. I'm pinning the hem for my new top, tying the waist belt and continuing pinning the new hem for my top. So these are alterations what I will be making on my top, and also I'll be making a skirt from the bottom half. Now I'll make a top and a skirt from this dress. First I'll remove these side pockets from both sides. And here they are. I have removed both side pockets from this dress. And I will use these pockets for the skirt. Now I will alter this dress. First I will measure the measurement how much I need to shorten this top by. I'm measuring the measurement, removing the pins, marking the measurement for my new hem and cutting excess fabric off. So from this bottom half fabric I will be making a skirt, but first I will make alterations on this top. First I will alter side seams and a back seam. I'm adding measurements on the side seam, 2 inches, and I'm marking that measurement there. And I'm repeating the same on other side seam. So they look like that. And repeating the same on the back seam. And this is how it looks. This side seam and this back seam and other side seam is sewed and it looks like that. Next I will sew hem on this top. Alterations on my top are finished and it looks like that. Next I will make a skirt from this bottom half of this dress. First I will sew these pockets on each side on the inside. First I'll take in waistline by 3 inches on each side, cutting excess fabric off, and I will sew these pockets on each side seam, marking 5 centimeters from the top edge, and I'm pinning this pocket on one side and other side, pinning that pocket to other side like that, and I'll sew straight stitch there and there. And here's first pocket sewed on, looks like that. Next I will sew top stitch on each seam there. And this is how it looks. First pocket is sewed on, looks like that. Next I'm turning this button to the wrong side and I'll sew all around the pocket there. Next I will overlock top edge on this skirt. Next I will sew these side splits closed on both sides. I have ironed these side splits flat. Now I will mark straight line from there to hem. I will sew straight line there. Next I will add this elastic on top edge there. First I will sew cotton fabric piece around waistline. And it looks like that. Next I will sew waist seam for the elastic. Next I will insert this elastic in the waist. Next I will sew both elastic edges together. Waistband is finished now. Next I will sew these belt loops on waistband. And my skirt is finished. I have added 7 belt loops, 4 at the front and 3 at the back. And this is my side pocket, looks like that. And this is the back with 3 belt loops at the back. This is other side pocket, looks like that. This is a new hem. And this is inside of the skirt on the wrong side, looks like that. The pocket looks like that, and a sewed up split seam looks like that. So this is dress before and this is after. So this is how it looks, my new top and skirt. So this is the skirt with side pockets and both look like that. I can wear these two pieces together or separately. So this is top on its own, looks like that. I can wear this top without the belt or with the belt. So if I add the belt, it adds the structure around the waistline and it looks like that. And here's the skirt on its own. I can wear this skirt with so many different tops and it looks like that. If you have any questions how I transformed my dress and made this top and this skirt, please comment down below in a comment box. I can wear these two pieces together or separately. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.